Guess what? We bought a pool. Walking out to the box, it was delivered here on the street. Came with 2 boxes in one giant box. This is the Intex rectangle, 32 feet by 16 feet. Hey, this is going to be hard to do. Now, look where we decided to put it. It's in the front of the house. We have the ground prepped. The white tarp is a 14 millimeter. The gray one comes with the pool. That's the pool. And it takes 2 people just to get it here from over there. I'll check in later and we'll let you know how it goes. Okay, so we'll get back to you, and we're gonna let it sit out in the sun for a little bit, let it warm up, make it easier to maneuver it. We'll be right back. Okay, so we got all the parts out of that couple of boxes. Still got the pump, all that's over there. So we're in stage 2. All these pipes are labeled A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. You get 8 of the U shape on the sides and 4 on the ends. So we're getting ready to take this a little bit further, and I'll update you in a few minutes. Okay, I'm back. Just want to give you 2 updates. The box says it takes about 90 minutes to set this pool up. I don't think so. Do note that we had a hard time getting these pipes into the side liner. So as you can see, that's baby powder, and they slid right in. It's taken a while, but we'll check in again. Getting there. Okay, the pool headquarters is almost closed. Boxes are emptied. Still have the filter finished, the ladder, and the pool's almost done. In fact, once I get the pump over there, we'll add water in it. We'll have a truck that will bring water, big hose. We'll film that. We'll put that in there. Then we'll dump in 9 bags of salt. This will be a saltwater chlorine swimming pool. You won't know that there's salt in it. "32 feet, 16 wide, and this is 54 inches high. I'm gonna get lost swimming. Okay, we'll come back when we do the pump. Okay, we're back. So right now we're adding the wooden pieces under each leg. And when that happens, the truck shows up tomorrow, and we're going to fill this baby up, and we're all going to see it. Oh, and that's Nick. Nick at night. I got my microphone on so you can hear me when I'm on that side of the pool.
Did you already
I'll check it out. Okay, all the wood blocks are underneath, and right now we have a garden hose in there that's trying to fill this baby up. That'll take forever. Well, thanks for joining me on my channel. And Angie doesn't want to talk.
Hey.
What?
I can't wait for this thing to be done.
We'll get it done. Okay, so as I walk back towards the camera, I'm going to go ahead and shut it off. Thanks again.
We're filling up the pool today. And looks like we might have done something wrong. Not really. Luckily we watched a different video one day that told us the pool was going to do this. Hey, Nick at night.
Hey.
I was gonna pull you around.
Well, yeah, and then I'm gonna come onto this.
Hey guys, I wanted to go over the do's and the don'ts. The first do is you got to prepare your ground by starting in the lowest spot, and then you dig out to a level ground. Don't add dirt to level out that area. Then once it's level, add sand as a pad. When you're setting up the pool, you need 16 by 16 blocks. Could be concrete or it could be wood. These go under the legs and they're horseshoe, and that leg sits on that and prevents the pool legs from sinking. So what I did is I took a 2 by 12 board and I had these laying around. I cut and made 24 blocks to go under these legs of the pool. Now the don't add blocks that are smaller than your legs, because the weight of the water will bend these legs. You avoid your warranty. And I'm going to add a photo right now because, well, you'll see this is what I did. I needed to lift it up a little bit higher. And so I stuck a yellow block in there that was smaller. Okay, the sand pump. After setup and water is in the pool, you must follow the directions in the instruction manual, step by step. Don't flip the power button on thinking your pool will start cleaning. This is what happened to me. After I added the sand to the pump and 9 bags of salt into the water, because this is a saltwater, clear water salt system using a sand pump, I pushed the button to the pump to start the filtration process, and immediately a dark cloud just shot right into the water. And it was just blowing right into clean, crystal clear water and made it really dark. So, of course, I shut the pump off. I went back to the instructions and noticed an important note. It said, you must backwash the sand for 1 minute, and then you have to let it settle for 5 minutes. So this backwash goes right onto the ground. If you have an extra hose, use that. If not, it just goes. Anyways, after it settles for 5 minutes, which I did it a second time. Backwash for another minute. And what you're doing is all this dirt's coming out. You wait till it's clear. It takes about a minute. Then you switch the top handle into rinse mode. Now, anytime you move this handle, you shut the power off to the pump. Then you turn it back on once it's in the rinse cycle. And then it rinses all that sand for about a minute. And then you shut it off. Then you put it in filter mode and you turn it on and clean water comes out of the hose via the pump. Big mistake. But maybe sharing that with you, that would help you. Here's a do. Do get a solar cover to heat the water. It keeps down the evaporation. But I put mine on. 3 days later, I got into the pool. Before that, it was ice cold. I got into the pool and it was hot water. You start moving the water around and then it started, it's hot, probably about this deep, and then cool down there, but really makes a difference. And get a solar cover reel. That's where it snaps onto the end of your solar cover. And then it's a long pole. Mine's rectangle, so it's on the end of the pole and not a round pole. And then you just slowly pull this in when you're ready to get in. And when pull time's over, you just reel it back in. So much easier. With that, thank you for watching. I hope all these things helped. It was fun with friends to come over and help, as you've seen so far. Again, thanks to my coming to my channel.